Good morning, class 3. Today we are going to do the rest of the chapter of MS Paint. In the previous class, I have discussed with you the tools of the MS Paint and how we are create a file, how we are draw the different shapes, how we what is a menu bar. With the use of menu bar, we can open a new drawing. With the menu bar, we can save a drawing. So now we are going to do the next topic, that is how to open the previous drawing and old drawing. Suppose you have drawn an image and save with the name of particular name of the file and you want to be open this file, then what is the step you follow to open the file? Okay, so let's see. So opening an old drawing and open command. So once we have saved a file, it can be open later. So what is the step to be open a old file? Let's see. And how to be open to save file. First we will click on the menu of a file bar. There is option of open. We will click on the open. When we click on the open dialog box will be appear like this. We will select the file name. Suppose of my file name is 7. Now I will click on the 7 and then I will click the open. Whenever I will click on open, my file will be open in the paint window. Now next topic is printing a drawing. Suppose you have make a drawing in MS Paint and you want to be print out of this particular drawing, then you will need to be print command. And what is the role of printing? That means when you click when your system is attached with the printer, then you will able to take out the print of an image. Okay, so printing command help us to print a drawing or a picture created in MS Paint. So what is the step of this? So the step is very easy, and we all the operation we are doing with the menu bar. First we will click on the file. Okay, and there is an option of print. When we click on the print, the name of printer will be appear in the dialog box. We will select the particular printer and then we will click the number of copy, how many number of copy we want. Suppose we want a 5 pages, then we will click on the 5. Okay, click on the range. Suppose I have only in this I have only 1 pages. Okay, then I will choose the 1 copy, and suppose I want only one of the drawing, then I will select all. Okay, there then we will click on the print button, take the printouts. Whenever I will click on the print, my drawing will be print out by the printer. Okay, so that is step of the printing a drawing. So the last is closing a drawing. Suppose I have drawn an image in the MS Paint in the working area and I want to be close. So what is the step to should be followed to close the paint? क्या क्या steps हमें follow करने पड़ेंगे? That is very easy. Let's see. Closing a drawing, close command. That is very easy. First we will click on the file, and in the last there is option of exit. When we click on the exit, my file will be closed and I'm just out of the paint command. And that is the first procedure, and we can also close or exit from the drawing. So what will the procedure of this? First we will click on the close button. आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि कोई भी एप्लीकेशन पे आप काम कर रहे हैं, इन द लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड ऑन द टॉप देयर इज 3 ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल: minimize, maximize and close. When we will click on the close button, it is automatically exit from the particular program. Okay, so that is also the closing a drawing. Okay, so we will also click on the close button on the upper corner paint window to close the paint program. Okay, and when we click on this, the computer will ask to save the file, and we will click yes or no. If we will choose the yes, it will be taken by name, and when we click no, it will be automatically closed. Okay, and suppose if we click on the cancel button, that means then we will not quit from the paint command. Okay, so that is a closing a program. Now is setting a drawing on the desktop background. Suppose you draw an image on MS Paint and you want to be set in your background on the desktop images, जिसको हम लोग वॉलपेपर भी बोलते हैं. आप लोगों ने फ़ोन के अंदर या फिर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम के अंदर देख रखा होगा, पीछे बैकग्राउंड इमेज जो होता है, तो वो एक इमेज फॉर्म ही होती है, एंड वी विल सेव टू द पर्टिकुलर file. Okay, so what is the step should be followed to set a picture in the computer background? So that is a very easy process. A drawing created in paint can be set as desktop background. तो उसके steps क्या होंगे वो हम लोग देखते हैं. First we will click on the file menu. There is option of set as desktop background, and when we will click, the drop down list will be open, and we will click that file. It will be set on the desktop of computer system. Okay, so that is the procedure to set an image to the background. So that is a chapter working with MS Paint. I hope you will understand all the chapter. If you have any query regarding this chapter, you can ask to me on the discussion form, and I request you all, please complete the chapter number 3, question answer, and send to me. Those who not sent, and in this chapter we will do the question answer in next class, and today we will finish these things right now. And if you have any query, any question, you can ask to me. And your today homework is you will read the chapter very carefully, and if you have a computer with at your home, then you will do the practice of particular things which I have told to you, which I have learned to you. So thank you so much, and the rest of the part, that is the question and answer, we will do in the next class. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day.